Hello friends, let us see lesson number 1, differentiation, exercise 1.1. In previous video we have seen first two examples from question number 2. Now let us see example number 3 from question number 2. Y is equal to log of in bracket in root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. We know that 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos of x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. But here x means here 3x is there, therefore we can take 2 sin square 3x upon 2. Here 1 plus cos 3x is there, therefore we can take 2 cos square 3x upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to log of in bracket in root, we can put the value of this 1 minus cos 3x means 2 sin square. In the place of x we can write 3x upon 2 upon 1 plus cos 3x means 2 cos square. In the place of x we can take 3x by 2. Y is equal to log of in root 2 sin square 3x upon 2 cos square 3x upon 2. 3x upon 2 is a allied angle. Now here 2 upon 2 get cancelled and we got in root sin square 3x upon 2 upon cos square 3x upon 2. Now here y is equal to log of in root sin square 3x upon 2 upon cos square 3x upon 2. It means sin upon cos, that is tan square 3x upon 2. But in root square is there, therefore we get log of tan of 3x upon 2. But we know that the derivative of tan x, that is sec square x. Therefore, now here we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy dx of log of tan 3x upon 2. Again derivative of log, that is 1 upon x, but here x means tan of 3x upon 2, that is 1 upon tan 3x upon 2. We have taken the derivative of log. Now next we have to take the derivative of tan of 3x upon 2. D by dx of tan of 3x upon 2. But we know that derivative of tan x, that is sec square x. But here in the place of x we can write 3x upon 2. Therefore 1 upon tan 3x upon 2. Derivative of this term sec square. In the place of x we can write 3x upon 2, and again we have to take the derivative of this term 3x upon 2 into d by dx of 3x upon 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 sec square 3x upon 2 and derivative of this term 3x upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 is a constant, so we can take before of this derivative d by dx. So 3 upon 2 d by dx of with respect to x. Therefore 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 as it is into 6 square 3x upon 2 into 3 upon 2 is constant. Therefore 3 upon 2 d by dx of itself x. And d by dx of with respect to x, that is 1. Therefore 1 upon or 1 into 6 square, we can take 6 square 3x upon 2 upon tan 3x upon 2 into 3 upon 2 dx upon dx, that is 1. Now 1 into 3 upon 2, that is 3 upon 2, we can write in this way 3 upon 2. 6 square 3x upon 2, it means that 1 upon cos square of 3x upon 2 upon tan of 3x upon 2. It can be written as dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2 upon tan means sin upon cos, that is sin 3x upon 2 upon cos 3x upon 2 and cos here 3x upon 2 get cancelled, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 1 upon cos of 3x upon 2 and multiplicative of inverse of this sin 3x upon 2, we can write 1 upon sin 3x upon 2. Three into 1 into 3, that is 3 upon 2 into sin 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2. But we know that 2 sin x into cos x, that is sin 2x. So here we can write 3 upon sin 2x. 2x means here 3x upon 2. And 2 get cancelled, that is sin 3x. That is 3 upon sin 3x. And 1 upon sin 3x means 1 upon cosec x. That is 1 upon sin 3x means cosec x. Therefore 3 into cosec 3x. And this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to log of in root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Now let us see next example.